Quality flour starts with quality wheat. That's why for more than 20 years, Graincraft has worked behind the scenes to identify preferred varieties of wheat that offer the ideal balance of milling and baking characteristics. The journey of preferred varieties begins in the field, where there are two primary factors that can affect end-use quality: environment and genotype, or variety. While we have very little control over the environment, we can manage genotype through optimum variety selection and promote the use of soil health practices that nourish the wheat and provide a strong ecosystem for a healthy crop. Preferred varieties and soil nutrient evaluation work together to reduce variability in flour performance, even during years that may have significant environmental impacts. Each preferred variety has been tested to meet the milling quality standards of efficient separation of the bran of the wheat kernel from the endosperm. Better separation means more flour can be extracted per unit of wheat, resulting in greater flour yields. In addition, these selected varieties are expected to maintain consistent protein because wheat's bread baking potential is derived largely from the quantity and quality of its protein content. When all these milling characteristics align, the wheat variety moves on to the next set of preferred variety qualifying tests to ensure that consistent end-use quality is achieved. Through deep relationships with our farmers and industry partners, we learn from each other so that year after year, Graincraft can continue providing excellent flours.